In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join King Legacy Discord server. If you're excited to connect with other players, get updates, and find reliable info straight from the community, this quick walkthrough will help you join the server smoothly and safely. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app, the browser, or the mobile app. The process is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed into your account so your join request can go through without interruptions. If Discord has any pending updates, let those finish first so everything loads correctly. Once Discord is open, look at your server list. On desktop, you'll see a small plus icon on the left sidebar. That's where you add new servers. Click that, then choose the option labeled Join a Server. On mobile, you'll find the same plus icon near your server list. Tap it and select Join a Server. If you don't see the sidebar on mobile, open the navigation menu first and then look for the plus symbol. You'll now see a field that asks for an invite. In that field, type the invite code exactly as intended, King Legacy. You can also paste a full invite link if you have one, but typing the code is usually enough. Take a second to review what appears on screen. Discord typically shows the server's name and a preview before you proceed. This is a good moment to confirm you're joining the official community and not a lookalike. If you see an error, check your spelling, your internet connection, and that you've put the text into the invite field, not the search bar. When everything looks correct, select Join Server. Discord will process the invite and drop you into the server. You should now see the King Legacy server in your sidebar alongside your other communities. If Discord says the invite is invalid or expired, try again after a moment or confirm that the code hasn't changed. If you're at the maximum number of servers your account can join, you'll need to free up space before trying again. At this point, you're in. Take a moment to orient yourself. Channels are typically organized by announcements, updates, help, trading, and general chat. Following the community guidelines helps keep the space friendly and useful for everyone. If you prefer fewer pings, you can adjust your notifications per channel once you're settled. And that's all it takes to join the King Legacy Discord server. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the community.